This is just in. A cargo ship coming from an offshore island just crashed off the coast of Mexico near California. Multiple unidentified animal attacks have happened over the last 3 hours. Please stay inside. A local bystander has managed to capture a photo. The creature appears to be 2 feet tall. Here is the photo. Please close all windows and curtains, turn off all lights, stay in a central room in your house. The military has been dispatched to deal with the threat.
The military dispatched 3 teams. 2 are missing helmet footage. Shows they attacked from underground. They live in holes. Entomologists say it reminds them of trapjaw ants.
Wait.
The final remaining military team is going to use chlorine gas on the holes. Please remain in your house at all time until it's safe to go outside.
The creatures have been destroyed. The remaining survivors are being hunted down by the military and bounty hunters.